Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Book4, and in this video I will show you how to check this laptop's battery health. To do this, tap on the Start button and search for CMD program. Now run it as administrator by clicking right here, then click Yes. In following window, input power CFG spacebar / battery report and press enter. Then copy this path, select it, then right click on it, then open either your file explorer or your web browser, open the file path field and paste this path right here and press enter. And on the following page you'll see the design capacity and the full charge capacity. The design capacity is the original capacity of your laptop, so that's the capacity of the battery with which your laptop was shipped, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity of this device. And over time, this number of watts an hour gets lower. So once it reaches some value at which you feel uncomfortable using your laptop, you should replace your battery. And that's basically it. That's how you check your battery health. You can also use other tools you can find on this page, like your recent usage history, a battery usage graph, and battery life estimates. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.